projects that you work upon. That is lean data governance, and of course PiLog Group, of course, that's also a cloud management company.
Right.
What is it all about, and how are they helping other companies in this?
See, we have been in the business for nearly 3 decades. PiLog existed from 1996, so I joined PiLog in 2001. So if you now look at it, we said that we need to separate the business into 2 different things. One is the software solution, the other one is the content, because content is king.
Correct.
I mean, without content, nobody can run any business.
True.
So we created lean data governance. Lean data governance is actually the best practices that we learned during the last 2.5 decades. We learned and we packaged all those practices and enabled that or empowered that by AI, which is the artificial intelligence. Okay, because today if you don't talk about AI, people will chase you out of their meeting rooms or the boardrooms.
It's the need of the hour.
Yes, so you have to. So lean data governance is actually a packaged product with all the common things that every organization is required. So this is not kind of a upsell or downsell of it. It is actually common that is required for every organization, and it is available on cloud, which is a subscription based model, whereas the PiLog cloud is the content. So we created software solution, we created a content solution. Content is something that anybody can consume, because we would like to really we wanted to digitize the entire content in such a way that anybody can subscribe to it. But again, in India, this mechanism of taking the content on subscription is not very popular, but elsewhere it is popular. So you do not need to have the data experts or content experts. There is content, millions of records, verified records that are available on cloud, and anybody can just pay minimum fees and then subscribe to it, which means they do not need expertise, they do not need to validate the data or content, but it is all available for them.
Okay.
And more importantly, the PiLog cloud is built from ISO standards, because by the way, we also contributed to ISO standards, because we said that if we want to bring in change or awareness in the market, we also need to bring in ISO. So we became part of ISO development. So ISO 8000, ISO 29002, ISO 22745, myself and our chairman, we contributed heavily to these standards, and then we developed those standards. And the moment you take the standard to anybody, everybody would accept it. So this data as well as the lean data governance, both of them follow strictly ISO standards, which means that anybody can easily consume them.